Yes. Hi, good evening. Just I'm discussing the concepts of this React. I guess already we started the JavaScript concepts, right? Yeah. So we are discussing the functions concept. What is function? Tell me. Yes. What is function?
Set of executable statements.
Yeah. Set of executable statements. So here, you remember the name of your file? I guess directly I'm pasting chart window. Yes. So function. Yesterday we discussed about the variables concept. Yes. How to declare the variables in JavaScript, that concept we have discussed. Already I told you JavaScript concepts are very, very important to understand the React.js. Without knowledge in JavaScript, we cannot get idea on the React. We cannot work with the React.js. Yes, yeah. Function is set of executable statements. Yes, yeah. How can we create the function? We in function keyword we can create functions in JavaScript. So what is the keyword we are using? Function keyword. Functions are goodness. One is predefined functions. Those are these functions are available with JavaScript. The example yesterday we used it here. Type of. Yes, type of is one predefined function. Next one, random is one predefined function. Like that, we have these predefined functions here. Yes, yeah. That's the concept. Next one, user different functions. Yeah. What are user different functions? What are the functions we are creating? We can create these functions at the time of application development. Now, I'm creating one function. So open edit plus. Already it is saved with the name demo1.html, right? Now here, script open tag and script closing tag, function fn, one argument. Yes. What the name of this function? fn. Here, I'm displaying hi message. If I run this program, can we expect this hi message? Yes or no? Where is that program? Yes, here it is. If I run this program, can we expect the hi message?
No, sir, because the function is not called it.
Yeah, because the function is not calling. Now open this. So what is this file demo1.html, right? That function is not calling. Yeah. Now here, I want to call this function fn1 array. Refresh, hi, got it. Can I call this function one more time? Yes or no? Yes, we can call
Yes.
a number of times. Actually, I have written only one line code here, but inside the functions we're writing number of lines, right? Yeah. Copy this, and first of all, let me run this. Hi, how many times we are getting? 2 times. Copy this and paste here. Yeah. So now we can pass the arguments into function. In that concept we discussed, we can pass arguments into function. Yeah. So at the time of calling the function, we can pass some values. Those values we are calling as arguments. Is it clear? Yes. So that only we can pass arguments into function. Yes. Now here, script open tag and closing tag. So function fn1. So that function I'm calling by passing 10, 20. Here I'm declaring the variable x, y. It is clear. I place the variable. What is that x, y? Now what is x value here? What is the value of x?
10.
10.
10. The x value is 10. And y value is
20.
now here. Now the result is what is that? 30 is the result. Yes. For example, here function 100, 200. Now we can see result is what the result we have. 300 is the result. Like that we are using this concept. This is function with arguments. Now fine. Next one, we can return a value from a function. We can call this concept as function with return type. Yeah. From the functions, we can pass the values. So this concept we are calling as function with return type. Those values we can store in the variables. Now here, Yeah, one function. From this function, so instead of alert is displays the message box. Instead of alert, return scored out. Yes, what is the return score? Means we are returning that score. Calling that function, no value displays here. Now I am taking, because here we are not using alert, we are using return statement, right? The return value we can store in a variable where x is equal to. Yeah, remember this. If any function returns value, that value we can store in the variable at the time of calling that function. Here, alert x. Now you can see it gives the message. What that? Scott is the message which we are getting. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Like that, we can create the functions in functions like this, and we can return the values from the functions, and we can pass our argument into the functions. This is the concept. Very simple. Now we need to discuss the types of functions. So we have different types of functions like lambda function means arrow function. Next, callback function, IAFE, immediate invoking function expression. Like that, we have different types of functions. Okay, that concept we'll discuss. Before that, event concepts we're discussing. Event. Yes. What is event? Tell me. Anybody have idea on this event? What is event?
It's an action perform particular button or event.
Event is an action performs on event is nothing but an action we can perform the control. One second. Yes, HTML. So event is a function, performs and control. Yes, every control provides many event attributes. Okay, so many event attributes. Examples. What are the event attributes we have here? Yes. On click, on mouse over, on mouse out. Like that, different types of event attributes we have. On click, on mouse over, etc. So using these attributes, we can execute a function when action is performed on control. Yes, event in nothing but here. What is event? Event in nothing but action. Okay. Yes. Now here, Click is one action, right? Mouse over is one action. Mouse out is one action. Like that, we have different types of actions. For example, when user click on the control, then I want to execute some statements. Yes, when user click on the control, then I want to execute some statements. Then we are taking the support of event attribute. Yes. What is that event attribute we are using? On click. Okay. Like that here, if user moves the mouse cursor on the control, okay, then I want to execute some statements. Then on mouse over, that event we are using here, that event attribute change here. Yes, what that on mouse over. Like that, we have different types of event attributes. If they click action, on click, mouse move action, on mouse move, mouse over is the action, on mouse over. Like that, we have different types of events. Is this clear? Yes. See. Tip open tag and closing tag. One function I'm creating here. In this function, alert, click that message I'm displaying here. Yes. What the message I'm using? Click. Now, body input type is equal to button, value is equal to click argument. Now refresh this. This is the button control which we have. So what the value I have given? Now my requirement is when I click on this button, I want to execute that function. I want to call that function. Yes. Now you tell me how to call that.
On click.
Yeah, what the event we are using?
On click.
On click is your JavaScript colon fn1. Now save this and refresh. When I click, it displays that message. What is the message we are getting? Click, it is the message. Yes. This is clear, right? Any doubts? One more button. Type is equal to button. Value is equal to click or something. On click is equal to see. If we are using 1 line or 2 line JavaScript code, no need to take separate function. Directly you can place that code here also. Okay. Now here, alert squad. Directly you can place the JavaScript code here. Save this, refresh. If I click, squad is the output. If I click it is the output. Like that, this is the mechanism working here. So every browser default client says script. What is that? I told you in last class. So JavaScript only, no? Every browser default client script is JavaScript. That's why my question is it compulsory to provide JavaScript colon here? It is not required. Just you can
sir.
remove. Save this and refresh. If I click here, if I click here, Scott in the yes. Now I want to take image. Source is equal to mango.jpg and width is equal to 100 pixels. New line I'm displaying this image. Now when I click on this image control, I want to change this source. What is the current source? What is the current source of this image? Tell me. What is the current source we have on this image control? What is the current source we have?
Mango.jpg.
Yeah, why that much time? If people are taking to answer this. Yeah,
No,
in
sir,
front of this is
I don't get you,
mango.jpg.
sir.
Yeah,
Earlier.
mango.jpg. Now you tell me, you people tell me, when I click on this image control, I want to convert this mango as apple or some other image. Got my point? Yes, how to convert that?
You need to give the ID to the image, and on click, you have to change the SRC attribute.
Yeah, on click is equal. First we need to use on click now.
Yes, we have to use on click.
Yeah, on click is equal to this dot src is equal to single quotations apple dot jpg. What the meaning of this? When I click on this image control, source of that image I am changing. What the new source I have given? Apple dot jpg. Click. You got the apple dot jpg. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is this keyword?
Current.
What is this? Yeah. So I will write notes about. This is an object. JavaScript refers. Correct. Yes. What is this? This is nothing but an object. It refers what? The current control. Now, when I move mouse over this orange.jpg, this is one image. What is that orange.jpg? I want to display that image on this. How can I?
Mouse over.
Yeah, what is that event we are using?
Mouse over. Mouse.
Yes. On mouse over is equal to, come on.
This dot
Yeah, what is that? This dot?
src is equal to orange dot jpc.
Orange dot JP. So these quotations I opened with double quotations. That's why internal quotations are in single quotations. Okay. Save, refresh. This mouse over, and this is click. Like that we have this. Yes. Mouse or click. If I come back, the mouse is coming out. Original image I want to display. Yeah, what the original image we have? Mango. Yes, what the event we are using now?
Mouse move. On mouse.
On mouse out is equal to. Yeah, tell me the statement.
This dot
Yeah.
src equal to mango dot.
What is the original image? Mango.jpg. Refresh. Mouse over, click mouse over. Mouse or click mouse. Here, single line statements only I'm executing with this events. That's why no need to create separate functions here. Is it clear? No need to create separate functions. If you have many lines, then create a function, because for example, the logic contains multiple lines. Okay, then it is not good to place all these lines here. It's very clumsy. So in that point of view, we are taking the support of functions. If it is one or two lines, you can use directly the HTML tag with the separated semicolon between one line and another line. Okay. I'm taking the text box here. Text name placing. Value is equal to enter name. The text we have. Okay. Now, when I click on this, I want to change this text. Don't enter something. Or when I move the mouse forward. Okay, when I move the mouse forward, this text I want to change. Don't enter. How can I change that text? Tell me. When I move mouse forward toward this control, I want to change this text. I want to display don't enter. How can I change?
On mouse out.
On mouse
Out. Over.
this time I will open with single quotation. Then internal brackets, internal string should be in double quotations. Yes. Then how?
This dot value equal to.
Yes, we are using this dot value is equal to in double quotations. Don't enter. Now mouse over. What the text we have? Don't enter. Now what is this type of control? What the type of this control? Text box. It's same mouse over. I want to change the type as button. Then how can I? Semicolon. One more statement. This dot type is equal to button argument. So this time, how many events, how many statements I'm executing with on mouse over? How many statements I'm executing here?
2 statements.
Two.
Statement. What the separator between one statement and another statement?
Semicolon.
Semicolon, right? Yeah. Here, refresh. Mouse over. And then is up. Is this clear? So type property we change and value property also we change in here. Okay, fine. Now input, not input. AMG source is equal to mango.jpc. Width is equal to 100 pixels. And one more IMG source is equal to apple.jpg. Width is equal to 100 pixels. Like that, I have taken these two images. If I click on this image control, I want to change this source. First image. On click is equal to this dot src is equal to yes. So here orange.jp. When I click on this, so what is the output we are getting now? Nothing but orange.jp. It's clear. Now, this is not my requirement. When I click on this, I want to change the source of another image. Yes.
Yes.
I want to change the source of another image control. Then how can we change the source of another image control, which is give. So in that point of we are taking the support of ID property. Yes, yes. 1 second. Yes. Now here I'm using ID to the second image. ID is equal to img to something. Yes, in the first image, this instead of this I'm using img2.src. Now save this and refresh. When I click on this one, then we are getting that orange. So action is on one control and result is coming on another control, right? Yes, action is performed on one control and result we are getting on another control. This is the concept of this. It is clear? All of you clear with this? Yeah, now you can ask me, have any doubts in this point? No doubts. Abhijit, Kishore, Javed, Pavan.
No, sir.
Only my one question is that is this a JavaScript class or is like you are going to take React as well? How it is?
Is this first class for you?
Yeah, it's a first class for me.
Yeah, so here this is React.js batch. What is your good name?
This is Pawan here.
Yeah, Pavan. So here this is React.js batch, but for this React.js first prerequisite is JavaScript, right? So that's why initially I'm discussing the concepts of JavaScript. After that, I will discuss the React.js concepts.
Okay. So in this batch, like, is it fine? Can I take 1 more minute?
What is that?
Like in this batch, we'll be covering Node.js as well, or only React?
No, only React JS.
Only React.
Node interaction I'm covering.
Okay.
API calls by using database, MongoDB, how to fetch from the database that MongoDB data from database through Node program, and how to display the React application, and how to apply the CRUD operations. Okay, so there we are using Node, but don't expect the complete Node.js.
Understood.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I am copying in your notes. Okay. Fine. Now, so we discussed about how to declare the variables, how to declare the functions, and how to do the events. These are common in React also. Okay. Yes. Now we are going to discuss the difference between var and let. At the time of variable creation, we are using these keywords, either var keyword or let keyword. So what is var and what is let? Those concepts we are going to discuss now. So using these keywords, we can declare variables in JavaScript. Var is function scope and let is block scope. What is that? Var is function scope and let is block scope. Yes. I will show that program script open tag and script closing tag. Now, one function. In this function, two variables where x is equal to 100, let y is equal to 200, and let x, and let y I have given. Now calling this function, what the name of this fn1, that function I'm calling. Save it and refresh. We're getting the output 100 and 200. This is the output which we are getting. Yes. Now the thing is, x value is 100, y value is 200. I let x and I let y I have given. We are printing that. I'm going to take these two variables inside the block. Yes. Can I use x from outside this block? Think and tell me.
Yes, X can be used.
What about y?
It is a block level, so it can't be used.
Yeah. So within the block only it is possible to use here, but outside that block not possible. Save and refresh. X is 100, but y error is there. Right click, inspect, not defined, that error message it displays here. Console. Yes. Y is not defined. In case if I play this here, is it allowed or not?
Yes.
Allowed.
It is allowed. Yes, allowed. Yes. Refresh. We'll get 200. Like that, it is allowed here, but not allowing in this location. Allowed by it is error because of block scope. Is it clear? That is the main concept of this. Means let it can access in the location where we declared. Beyond that, it is not possible to access. But where we can access from anywhere inside the function. Is it clear? Where we can access from anywhere inside the function. That's the first difference. So here, just I'm placing. Next, one more difference is there. Let me discuss. So here, script open tag and closing tag, where x is equal to 100, where y is equal to 200, where x same x 200, let initial x value is 100, again x value is 200, and I have given let x. What is the output of this?
200.
200.
It should throw an exception, right?
No, 200. Yes. Now let y is equal to 111. Let y is equal to 222. Let y. What the output of this? What is the output you are expecting now? Huh?
111.
Not a
Error
number.
is there. Error is there. Okay. Because here, yeah, what the error y has already been declared. Means where allows the multiple declarations, but let is not allowing the multiple declarations. So that is the concept of this. In case if I remove this one, then we are getting the output, yes, 200 222. But if I give this, then it displays the error message like this. Okay. So this is error. Let multiple declarations not possible. What is the concept of this? Yes. Is this clear?
Yes.
So next, one more difference is there with in hosting point of view. So that hosting concept first we need to discuss. Okay, then we can get the clarity in that point of view. What the other difference? So anyhow, here we discussed various function scope and let is block scope. That concept we have discussed. I guess you people are clear. This, yes. Yeah. Any more queries you have, you can ask me now. Okay, fine. See, I guess demos are almost completed. So a link will change shortly. Okay. So tomorrow also this same link will run, but from Monday onwards. So new link will generate. That link will deliver to those who paid the money. Okay, that's why if we have any payment dues, okay, better you should clear with that management. And today notes, just like as usual every day, we're pasting the chart window. Not today also I will paste in the chart window. And tomorrow also I will use the same chart window for notes. Monday I will provide you that Google Drive access. So from that Google Drive, everything you can download, that notes, videos, everything. Okay. Yes.
So one doubt here, like not related to subject. So from Monday,
Yeah.
like studying directly React or again JavaScript, how it is?
No. JavaScript, many concepts we need to discuss. Okay. Like here, hosting, promises, event, bubbling, event trickling. Okay. Bind functions. All these we are using in a React program. Is it clear? So if you don't know promises concept, async await, okay, and date object, string object, array object, then you can't do any program in React.js. So around minimum 20 days, I'm discussing the JavaScript classes.
Okay.
Yes, like here we are using clauses. Yes, Next one, prototypes. Like the different concepts are there in JavaScript. Classes, because in React, we have class component, functional component. These two types of components we are creating. By that time, you should aware of these, okay, classes, everything here in JavaScript. So React is nothing but the library of JavaScript. So what are the concepts we have in JavaScript? Same we are using. Additionally, it is providing some more features. Okay, those features also we are using there. That is the concept. Okay.
And what will be the duration of this complete batch?
Yeah, around 70 days it will take.
70 days.
Yeah. In between 60 to 70 days, you can estimate max period is 70.
And could you please
Only I
this feature as well?
did not get any
Huh?
call from institute, sir.
What
Feeds-
is that?
We did not get any call from institute.
Voice is breaking. Your voice is not clear.
I did not get any call from institute regarding the fees structure and all this.
Yeah, you can discuss with management about the fee structure, everything. So DURGASOFT Hyderabad phone number, if you search in Google, you will get, and you can make the call and ask. Okay.
So understood. So like any option like to like do you teach the Node.js as well? Like additional pay, I'm doing additional pay. Any option is there where we can cover both the things, Node.js and React.js?
Means you then Manstack project batch you can join. There both will be covered.
Which project batch you said that?
ME or in Manstack.
Okay. Could you,
MongoDB
what is the timing?
MERN MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node. But for that also, here basics, not basics, React concepts are very important to you. So compulsory, you need to attend this batch. Then only you are eligible to attend the Manstack batch.
Okay. And what will be the duration for this complete course then?
So this React.js course is 70 days.
And that MERN batch?
Huh?
Then what about MERN batch?
MERN batch, that is a with real-time project, that is 4 months duration. Yeah, 3 to 4 months it will take.
So this almost 6 months course.
No, don't combine these two. It is separate and that is separate.
Okay, both are separate.
Both are separate.
Understood. And what will be the timing of this MERN batch?
So not yet decided for the next slot. So it will take few more days to decide that.
Okay.
Yeah, just a few days back, one batch is completed. So shortly, we will provide the date for the next Manstack batch.
Understood.
Yes.
Thank you. Thanks for the information.
Welcome. Any other queries, other persons? Okay, fine. See you in tomorrow class. Day after tomorrow, Sunday, no class. Okay, tomorrow we have class. Okay, Monday onwards, link will change. Okay, yes. So tomorrow we'll discuss the concepts, next concept like hosting, and next one we are discussing that types of functions like callback, arrow function, etc. Okay, yes.
Okay.
You can
Thank you.
leave now. Thank you.